Hello, my name is Anai, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to do soft gel or gel X nails. First we select the tips that suit your nails properly. We prepare the tips, let's try not to thin the nail, we only remove the shine. And we will do this with the other nails. You can also do it with a file if you do not have the appropriate cutter. This step is important since it will allow the nail to remain well adhered. We remove the excess powder, so that when we stick the nail, there are no residues. Now we will move on to filing the nails. Even though my nails are short, and I have onychophagia, I want to show you that it is not an impediment to occupy this system. Who doesn't know what? It's onychophagia, it's the habit of biting your nails. We open adhesion channels with the thickest part of the sponge. We will do this with all the nails. We remove excess dust. Now we will begin to apply it. The first thing is the protein bond or primer. We will place it on each tip that we remove the shine. The important thing is to apply it to the porous part of the tips, otherwise there is a risk of it lifting up. If you reach this part of the video, it's because you like it. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. We will apply protein bond or primer on all nails. Try to apply it only on the nail, as it damages the skin. Cure the protein bond for 30 seconds in the lamp. We will apply base on all nails. Try to place a very thin layer on each nail, so that there are no excesses. We clean the free edge and sides well, since my nails, being so short, if we do not do this step, the tips will lift. We cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. This system can be done with base or gel. I prefer the gel since it gives greater durability and firmness to the soft gel. This time I use construction gel from the Sweet Color brand. We will apply the product on the nail with a very thin layer. We apply pressure without touching the cuticle area, very gently to the free edge. In the same way we will pre-cure in a lamp for 20 seconds. After pre-curing, we proceed to cure in a lamp for 60 seconds, and this is how it should look. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Remember to use little product so that there is no excess, and it overflows into the cuticle area. We place the tip in the cuticle area, press the nail bed, until the gel covers the free edge. And that's how it should stay. We will do the same step on all the nails. Here I applied to give greater strength to the soft gel, and the same with all the nails. We will cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. We turn the hand and cure for 30 more seconds. With an alcohol wipe, we remove all the layer of Innovision and residue that remains on the gel. Here we proceed to file the cuticle area with a very soft burr. We remove all the excess that the gel has left. We will do this step on all nails. We remove excess dust and file. With the thickest part of the spony we remove the shine from the nails. This helps us give greater adhesion to the permanent nail polish. And so on with all the others. This is how it should look after removing the shine. With an alcohol wipe we remove the dust left by filing. These nails are now ready to apply the permanent nail polish. This time, I am not going to glaze them since for now I will only show the soft gel. We place the final top, covering the sides and free edge well. We cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. We also place the top on the bottom. This will help us give a good seal to the nail. We cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. Turn our hand over and cure for 30 more seconds. Thank you for watching the video until the end and subscribing to my channel.